Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I'll tell you how you can connect this DJI Mic 2 with the laptop via Bluetooth connection so that you can record audio or video, means video while recording the audio on your laptop. Yeah. And the first thing is this mic is from the combo actually. I didn't purchase it separately. See here, this combo is different, but it is from this combo actually. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. See here, this from this package. If you want this mic, DJI Mic 2, there is another combination here. See here, from this package you can get DJI Mic 2 plus 2x plus 1 receiver charging case. See here, this is another. Okay, yeah. First of all, on this, when you turn here, you'll see two buttons. One is the powering and two is the pairing. So first of all, I'll be giving a long press on this mic so that the light is turned on here. So yeah, now the light is showing something like yellow to violet color. So what I need to make sure is I need to turn on the Bluetooth on my what is this, laptop. So I'll be just turning this on and I'll be clicking on show all the available devices, but here this is just powered on but not in the pairing mode. To make it in the pairing mode, I need to long press on this button, which is a link like button. Then you will see a fast blinking blue light. See here, this link symbol, right, which is the pairing symbol actually. And as soon as I do that, Realme C55 is there. And make sure if this what is this mic name is not available here, yeah, see, it's available here. So what I'll do is I'll click on this, connected mic. Okay, this has been connected. So say for example, if I start this OBS studio and start recording something, so whatever the audio which receives, means which this laptop takes, is through this DJI Mic 2. Okay, I'll be just talking something so that we can just test this. Now all this audio now it's recording along with the video recording of the laptop screen is through this mic. So I'll keeping this mic here and I'll stop the recording here. I'll stop the recording. Maybe I can just go to show records and where is this? And this is the clip. Recording something. So whatever the audio which receives, which this laptop takes, is through this DJI Mic 2. Okay, I'll be just talking something so that yes, you can just take test. I'll stop this now. On. Yeah. So now, if anyone wants to know how you can connect this DJI mic, not only this DJI mic, for that matter, any wireless mic. For that matter, there are popular brands like Holy Land, this DJI. If you're connecting for the first time to the laptop, this tutorial will be helpful. If you feel this tutorial is helpful, please do hit a like and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.